What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the golden and also shining text animation like this. And did you know, to create this animation you don't need the, let's say, complicated application or software. And if you'd like to create it or then want to be the video asset of your content, so don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you the step by step to create this one. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, surprisingly you just need this Meta AI to create this simple but also beautiful and also 3D realistic animation like this. So if you would like to access this Meta AI, then don't forget to do the login first with your email or Facebook account. And this will be the home page of this Meta AI. And here you can create the picture, or you can generate the picture into the animation, or you can also generate the text into the animation, and the animation video would be 5 seconds or 9 seconds length if you extend it. And you can also add something in general over here. And for example, I will start to put the prompt into this section. For example, create the animation of shining text, and also it is the animation must feature the dynamic moving shining effect with the light streaks and also intense reflection of sweeping across the golden surface. And also it is rendered in a highly polished and reflective 3D gold material. And you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically they will give you 4 samples of the animation, and also each of them will have 5 seconds duration. However, you can also extend it to be 9 seconds guys. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this animation. However, you will have the possibility to have a little bit different look. And if you felt like the result is not following your desire, don't worry, because you can still regenerate it. For example, this to this one, and click send again, and after that it will show you the another animation over here. And apparently this is the animation we have that show the shining effect. Like this, and also in the golden stream, for example. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. And kindly wait for the maybe 1 minute until 3 minutes to let this Meta AI give you the samples of the animation. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.